babes, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be on this ponytail, so definitely make sure to stick around for that. This video is actually going to be a giveaway sponsored by Sunber hair, so if you guys have not seen them or checked them out before, definitely make sure to check out the details in my description box below. There actually is going to be 3 winners. Okay, yeah, 3 winners. So the first prize is gonna be some bundles. So you'll get 3 bundles with the lace closure. So you'll get a 16, 2 18s, and a 16-inch closure. The second prize is $30 along with like a coupon code, and the third prize is $10 in cash. So this is how you enter. Alright, so step 1, make sure that you are subscribed, of course, to my channel and also Sunber version here. I'll be sure to post that link down in the description box below. You also want to make sure that you're following Sunber hair on Instagram along with me, like you should already if you haven't. But anyway, make sure that you are following me on Instagram, and also to check out Sunber hair. Check out their website, because what we're gonna have you do is basically comment below Sunber hair, hashtag Sunber hair, along with the texture that you want. So obviously the lengths are already gonna be picked out, but just comment below the texture that you want, and we're gonna randomly select the winner. So this giveaway is gonna go on for exactly 1 week from today. You can enter as many times as you need to. Obviously the rules are the same. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to their channel, follow me on Instagram, follow them on Instagram, and then just comment below the texture you want with hashtag Sunber hair. I actually think you guys need to put like your email also, just so that we have a way of contacting you if you guys don't really check your notifications on YouTube also. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Definitely don't forget to enter the giveaway. Let's get right into the video. Literally just gonna go ahead and pin up with the rubber band the tip of my braid, just to kind of give it a little bit more base, so that I can put that thread through and it's not like breaking off the tip of my hair or anything. And I'm literally just gonna kind of I guess I have a knot at the end of the thread, so I pulled it through and pulled it through the track as well, just to really anchor it to the tip of my braid. And then I'm just going to wrap this around as tight as possible around my plait or my braid, just to really make sure that it's secure. After I wrap it around maybe about 6 to 8 times really closely, in between that I did go ahead and make a little stitch. You'll kind of see that here. Give me just a second. So yeah, I'm just making a quick little stitch just to make sure that it's secured. I literally just wrapped this around the thread 3 times and kind of kept it moving from there, and then I continue to wrap. So I did this every maybe about 6 to 8 wraps, just to really make sure that the ponytail was going to stay in place. I've done this with bobby pins before, but I noticed that the ponytail gets really stiff. So don't let people trick you on YouTube if you only see us using the ponytail. You know, doing the ponytails with the bobby pin, y'all, it is stiff. Like, let's not front, okay? But anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to keep wrapping this around. I should have actually braided my hair a little bit tighter, just so that I can avoid that little bulky part because of how, like, you know, how much I was wrapping it. But nevertheless, it's trial and error, of course. And once I get up to the ponytail, really, I mean, if you had a thick enough ponytail band, technically that could have covered the track, but in this case I didn't, and ultimately I wanted to wrap the base of that anyway. So you'll kind of see how I do that. So just securing the end of this, I actually ended up needing just a teeny tiny bit more hair just to really cover the base of my hair. So I did go ahead and take not even half of a track, maybe, let's see how much I use. I think maybe about 1/4 of a track, just to go ahead and just add a little bit more length to that. And I just install it the exact same way, making sure not to secure the you know, the lace, not to secure the weft onto the ponytail holder, because that would have kind of been a mess to take out, and I don't want to break the ponytail holder at all, so, or the headband. So just wrapping that around, and then of course securing the end, as you can see. And definitely make sure to enter this giveaway, you guys. Sunber is one of my favorite hair companies. So I don't know if you guys have realized, but I've worked with them maybe about 3 or 4 times now, and I literally love their hair. It's really full. I know that I only have a body wave where it actually looks more straight here, but the hair is definitely really thick. I literally got away with 1 1/4 of a bundle for this ponytail, and it looks really natural, pretty sleek. If your hair is even fine textured than mine, this will work perfectly for you. So I'm actually just taking a little bit of hair from the back, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this right around, taking some of my Gotta Be glue spray just to kind of smooth out the hair that I'm going to wrap around the base of it. And I'm just taking my time with this. So in this case, I did not use any bobby pins or anything like that. Literally a hairpin, some needle and thread, and that's it. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping it around the base using that Gotta Be glue spray just to really make sure that you know, it's covered completely. So as I wrap the hair around, I don't have to secure it with a bobby pin as long as I use that hairspray, because it's going to really hold it tight and kind of acts as like the mold for, you know, a ninja look, if that's what you want to go for. You can wrap it around more or less, completely up to you, if you want it closer to the scalp or for the ponytail to sit higher up, you just would grab more or less hair, kind of customize this to what you need it to be. So always just kind of take the tips and then, you know, make it your own. So that's what this looks like. I did give it a little bit of time to dry. Obviously you could have definitely used like a blow dryer, just kind of blow it out, but I didn't do that here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I did go ahead with a 2-inch flat iron just to go ahead and smooth everything out. So this is my FHI flat iron, and that was pretty much it for the ponytail, guys. This was really quick and easy. Definitely something to do if you need a really sleek, nice, professional look, or just a nice look. I mean, I don't know, it looks really good. I just took a little bit of sheen from my cream of nature just to kind of spray everything, and we are all set. So thank you guys so much for